All right, let's get to Brian Belski, the BMO Chief Investment Strategist. Brian, great to have you with us. You heard a lot of our panelists who think that maybe the past couple of days, a head fake here. So I'm wondering what your take is on what has been, to use, I don't think this term has been used this many times in a handful of minutes, a face-ripping rally that we've been seeing.
Well, Melissa, it's just wonderful to see you again. Thank you so much for having us. When you were speaking and the other panelists were speaking, I hearken back to the late 1990s and early 2000s when people were talking about buy the dip, buy the dip. I think the buy the dip craze that has really occurred during this market phase has been unbelievable. It's been epic, and actually I think it's been more powerful than what we saw in the late 90s, early 2000s, especially given the fact that that was much more concentrated in the tech stocks. But I think trying to call bottoms are difficult, as Liz said. I also think that this rally is doubted by a lot of people, and I like that, being bullish. I like to go the other way. And if you take a look at what the market is dealing with, and we wrote about this this week, we like to deal in markets with actualities. And I think the biggest unknown is how the Fed is going to operate from here and when inflation peaks. And the market does not like this. And that's why you've seen so much volatility. The market did what it usually does historically when we have geopolitical events. And so we finally got our 10% correction, Melissa. We've seen 29 corrections since 1970. Only 7 of them turned into bear markets. And they usually last around 110 days. And if you take a look at when we've come out from these 10% corrections, we're up 27% over the next 12 months. Those are just numbers. And again, it's our call that we're not seeing a bear market. Correction, yes, obviously we've had a correction. I believe that fundamentals do not constitute a bear market or recession in 2022.